some candidates make the mistake of memorizing everything that they say, and that isn't good. But you didn't do that. You weren't afraid to spontaneously give an answer. It sounded very natural. So your fluency in part one was very good. What's the difference between where you're living now and where you've lived in the past?
In the past, there are not too many transportation in there and not too many shopping mall center. But now you will find that the transportation is a lot of like bicycle, like bus or subway. In our community, you can just spending 5 or 10 minutes to arrive there. And the shopping mall is very close to our community. About 10 minutes, I can go to the big shopping mall center. So that's different.
What kind of house or apartment would you like to live in the future?
If I have lots of money, and I hope that I can live in a house because house is big. The apartments have lots of floor. Maybe I can live the first floor or second floor, and I can pick up my parents live with me. At that time, maybe I have lots of rooms to live or to do other foundation. Maybe I have a gym to exercise, but in apartment is not a lot of room to support me do anything.
Do you think it's important to live in a comfortable environment?
For me, I think it's very important because you know, live in the comfortable room, you can sleep well, and you have a good emotion. And it's very important to study or work at home. Sometimes you study at home or reading at home or watching some film to relax. So comfortable is very important reason.
In part one, you gave me quite long, extended answers. You didn't just give me 1 or 2 words. Your pronunciation was very, very clear throughout. I understood every word that you said. So I would give you band 6 or 6.5 for fluency. And your weakest was probably the grammar. You would probably earn a band 5 for that. And then I would award you between a 5.5 or a 6 for your vocabulary and your pronunciation. So you would score probably between 5.5, maybe a 6.